Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Cryptomator vault not unlocking step by step. If your vault won't open, the problem is usually caused by an incorrect password, a damaged vault, syncing issues, or an outdated version of Cryptomator. So let's get started. First, carefully check that you're entering the correct vault password. Yeah, make sure caps lock isn't turned on, verify your keyboard layout, and watch for any typing mistakes. Remember, Cryptomator passwords are case-sensitive. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Cryptomator. Visit the official website and install any available updates. Running an older version may cause compatibility issues, especially if the vault was created or updated with a newer release. If your vault is stored in a cloud service like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox, wait until the sync is fully complete before trying again. I mean, if files are still syncing or haven't downloaded completely, Cryptomator may not be able to unlock the vault correctly. You should also verify that the entire vault folder is present and hasn't been modified. Missing files, renamed folders, or accidental changes to the vault structure can prevent it from opening. If you have a recent backup, compare it with the current vault to make sure nothing is missing. If you're certain the password is correct but the vault still won't unlock, try opening the vault on another computer with the latest version of Cryptomator. This can help determine whether the issue is with the vault itself or your current device. Finally, if none of these steps solve the problem, restore the vault from a known good backup if available, or contact the Cryptomator community or support resources for additional troubleshooting. Keep in mind that if you've forgotten the vault password, it cannot be reset or recovered due to Cryptomator's encryption design, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix a Cryptomator vault that's not unlocking and safely regain access to your encrypted files. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.